Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 64GB DDR5 ECC registered RDIMM, specifically the M321R8CWM model. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse designed to supercharge server performance. This stick boasts a hefty 64GB capacity, operating at a blazing 5,600 MHz, adhering to the PC 5-44800 standard. It's built with ECC registered technology, a crucial feature for servers where data integrity is paramount. The 2RX4 configuration, also known as EC8 10x4, ensures efficient data handling. It operates at the JEDEC standard 1.1V, balancing performance and power efficiency. Now, before you rush out to buy this for your gaming rig, a word of caution. This RAM is strictly for select server systems. It's not compatible with desktop computers, laptops, or PCs of any kind. This is important, as using the wrong type of RAM can cause serious issues. One key thing to remember is that EC8 10x4 ECC register modules cannot be mixed with EC4 9x4 ECC register modules, or with different ECC types such as ECC unbuffered, ECC load reduced, or non-ECC unbuffered. Memory compatibility can vary among different system models and their installed components. Please verify compatibility and follow memory channel guidelines to ensure maximum performance. So, what does this mean for your server? The Samsung DDR5 RDIMM expands your system's available memory, leading to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and increased workload capacity. This is especially beneficial for memory-intensive applications like virtualization, database management, and high-performance computing. The Samsung name carries weight in the memory market, and this DDR5 RDIMM lives up to that reputation. It's a reliable, high-performance solution for servers that demand the best. If you're looking to boost your server's capabilities, this RAM module is definitely worth considering, provided it's compatible with your system. Just double-check those compatibility requirements before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.